Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that I'm not a licensed trade advisor. I'm not offering any type of trading advice here today. And if you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, good morning, everyone. Hope you had a nice evening. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory calendar. Today is Tuesday, December 23rd. If you're joining us today, hallelujah, praise God. That's the good news. You're in it. You're still in the game. Still in the game. That's the good news. Amen. So today, Tuesday, December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. GDP came out this morning. Looked really strong. Over 4% GDP. Durable goods came out at 8:30. Preliminary GDP. Okay, at 10 a.m., we have a catalyst event, the Consumer Confidence Orange Folder, Richmond Manufacturing Orange Folder. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Tick, tick, tock. Good morning, Rao. Thanks for joining us. If today's your first day, welcome. Welcome, welcome. You're in for a treat. We're going to be showcasing some extremely powerful automated bots that run on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. They'll trade a live account, a prop account, a sim account. If you can establish a connection on NinjaTrader, you could trade it. Once the strategies are enabled, these bots will automatically enter the trades on your behalf and manage them and do a real good job of it. We've got a beautiful diversity of instruments. Futures instruments is what we're trading. Very liquid. The NASDAQ, the S&P 500. We've diversified into crude oil, gold, and also the Dow. We've got a bot running on the Dow. Suzanne, good morning. Merry Christmas. One minute. The bell will ring in a minute. Good luck, everybody. The goal is not to take any big drawdowns on this shortened holiday week. Gold is up 195. There we go at the open. We're getting a pop up. You can see my ES chart is on a big bullish run. NASDAQ is approaching 26,000. Love to see it hit 27. Here we go with the leapfrog. This is a beauty. To the moon. Boy, that was a way to start the session. Big leapfrog. ES is in the wrong side of the market. Let's go to the Mac truck. 20U Mac truck. MNQ. Let's see if we can get a break of resistance. Let's get it. We're a little late to the party, but hey, let's see if we break resistance. I'm going to anticipate the break. Well, the bots jumped in long. They like that move up at the open. Let's see if it's got some momentum left. Santa Claus rally, Ral. Santa Claus rally. Let's get one. Getting a nice retracement. Just what we needed. Right back to the 50. Right back to support. Let's see if we can get a continuation into this uptrend, into this bullish trend. Come on back, retrace. You can see my RSI line now is down to 0. Here comes a pullback and go on a signal A or C. Hold on. I'm not ready for a short. But we needed this. This looks like a really nice range. Opened up with a big move down. Now a big retracement back to the 50. It's a good sign. Good sign. We might get some really nice movement today. My power plays up 500. There's that long entry. $10 o'clock, we got 2 orange folders. With the Holy Grail in socks. Happy holidays, George. Happy holidays. I'm going to show you I just got an email from Ninja. I'm going to show the holiday trading schedule. It was news to me. Maybe it'll be news to you. What I'm referring to is this here. Now, these times are in Central times, Chicago time. On Wednesday, the market closes at 12:15 Central. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow's a half-day trading, everyone. Christmas Eve, the market closes early. 1:15 Eastern, 12:15 Central. So today is a full day. Tomorrow's a half a day. Thursday is closed for Christmas. Friday is a regular trading day. However, we will not be trading live on YouTube. Oh, this thing is popping in long, and it's in complete chop. The gold one-day pass scored. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, it caught it. Mack trucks in long. Haymaker, power play in long. The Smart Velocity having another big day. Power play best bot. The NQ best bot is piggybacking. Let's see. The ES best bot is in losing trade. The best bot closed on the NASDAQ. So Wednesday, tomorrow, December 24th, markets open a half day. We're going to do the live stream tomorrow morning, and that'll be the last one for the week. We got a catalyst event coming up at 10 o'clock. Consumer confidence. And Richmond manufacturing. At 10 a.m., 10 a.m. Eastern. Those are orange folder reports, medium impact. Not really liking price action right now. Boy, the S&P is taken off. During the London Open, it dropped like a rock. At the U.S. Open, it took off like a rocket ship. See what the stock market looks like. Hasn't really found a direction yet. Let's see if we break through resistance. I don't think I need all of those plots on my screen. I'm going to take off those plots. We're patiently waiting for price action to give us something juicy. I wanted to take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is trading at 44.85. Been taking a leg down. The E-mini wants to fly. Oh, you gotta be kidding. The minute I open this gold chart, everything froze up on me. That's the end of the gold chart for me. I just locked up my Ninja. I'm going to have to restart, excuse me. I think I know what caused it, though, is I opened that gold chart. Gerald, we looked through your log, and man, we couldn't find anything. Sergio went through that thing with a fine-tooth comb. It's just nothing there. The only thing I could think of is that OneDrive. We got 2 orange folder reports coming out. Do you? It's a good practice. You're already long on gold. Took a nice retracement. I'm not opening. I'm not opening that chart. Wow, look at that NQ30 leapfrog. It's at 1200. That spot's at 580. Mac truck is at 487. ES8U scalper leapfrog. This bot, man almighty. That bot is doing really well. Between 9:30 and 10. Look out for the break of resistance here. I'm going to anticipate the break. Try to get a long entry here on the NQ30 range. Ooh, let me get on the MNQ. I'm on the wrong instrument. That would help, huh? Let's get a break of resistance here. Mac truck just took off long. Let's see if we break through resistance. Nope. 10 o'clock, we've got the orange folder reports coming out. Retesting resistance. Got decent volume here. Over 4,000 contracts a minute. Come on, let's get this break. It would have to be a signal C to get it nice and early. If not, I'll have to wait for the B. Let's see if we get the break. Here we go to the upside. Come on up. Come on up. I'm going to be a little late getting in with my signal B entry. I need this RSI line to be pinned in that green area. Come on, pop up. Getting some buying pressure here. Here we go. Here comes a signal B. That green triangle. If this bar closes up, I should be in long. I'm in long. Let's see if we can get one. Come on up. Come on up. Keep pushing up. All right, we took a loser, about $125, $130. I think I'm going to wait for the news report at 10. My loss limit today is about 250. That's about it. NQ Best Bot is right back in. It's copying the Mack truck. Copying the Mack truck. Let's see if the MNQ Best Bot came in. Nope. Here comes a signal A long. That's our haymaker entry right there. $10 we got the consumer sentiment, was it? Consumer confidence and Richmond manufacturing. That was a nice entry, that signal A entry. Caught the reversal right into the direction of the trend. Let's see where our E-mini. Let's see where our E-mini is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that ES8U. It's actually in this trade long. Let me make sure this is all disabled. Yes. All right, we've got about 7 minutes. 7 minutes for the news report. After that news report comes on, we're going to go wide open. We're going to put the iBots in. I tell you, I really like this E-mini trade. It's been pushing up all morning, ever since that bell rang. Really, ever since that GDP report came out at 8:30. Completely reversed the market. Oh, this looks like a good short. Our 20U is right into support, right into the 50. In order for the power play to trigger, the 20U has to break through that 50. This is what our leaderboard looks like so far. The gold and ES hit the one-day passes. Those are the prop trading templates. And their sole purpose is to pass an evaluation in one trade. And both of those were successful. The ES is historically one of our strongest spots. The ES30 on the one-day pass and on the regular strategies. Starting to set up for a short. 9:56. We got 4 minutes for the report. Let's see if it takes an entry to the downside. It takes a short entry here. There it goes. Let's see if it has some follow through the downside. It looks good. Bit oversold. Okay, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We got two orange folder reports coming out in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see if we can catch something. 3 minutes. This thing's going to break right down. Right through support. Boy, that's a beautiful short entry right here. Bounced off that pivot. One of those liquidity zones. They let it come through, and then boom, they sweep you. Everyone stops. That jumped in short. Boy, they got me on that so many times it's hard to count. All right, 1 minute. Let's see. If you're in a position, beware. We got a report coming in 1 minute. Let's see if this is our catalyst event. Our Mac truck is up 184. Power play is about break even. $10. That wasn't much of a report. It was an orange folder. Medium impact. Didn't look like it had much effect at all. Let's try a power play short. Let's try a break of this area of support. Come on down. Come on down. Let's see if we can get the break. Push down. Push down. Okay, we're in short. Come on, let's get a little bit of follow through here. Come on, give me some follow through to the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Little further. There we go. Risk is off. Let's see if we can get in the leapfrog. Push down. Little follow through. Come on. Push down. Come on. Little further. There we go. Got a leapfrog. Another one. Keep on going. Let's get some follow through now. All right, got us back on the green end of things. See if we can get a retracement back to the 50. See where our ES8U is. It's retracing right back to the 50 on the E-mini. One day pass is in another one on the ES. Let's go to the ES one day pass. Bam, it's in the window. That's going to be a winning trade. 4,700 on the one day pass. Got a little bit of support below us here. This 20U looks like it's going to double bottom. It's moving right into support here. Not much doing here. Things kind of slowed down a little. Had a nice move down. NQ Best Bot's up $1,000. Smart Velocity 729. Stevens in. Steven is in the game. Mack Truck 150 RJ. Man, that bot's been good. Take a look at the numbers. Wow, look at that. Look at the RJ for the month of December. On fire. I was showing this in the webinar on last Friday. This RJ very quietly took 11 trades with an 80% win rate. That's the bot. 80% win rate. Oh, here comes the retracement. That RJ is no joke. Mark Miller was telling me about it. On his computer, it's crushing it too. Getting a nice retracement now. Let's see what the E-mini's looking like. Does it take another short roll? Right down to support. Took a short. Let's see if there's any follow through on this move to the downside here. Headed into a big area of support here. Okay, all the risk is off. Now we're trying to get into that leapfrog. Set up nicely looking at that 20U. Come on, let's break right through support. Oh. Come on, put us in the leap. There we go. Leapfrog. Break through. Break the pivot. Jero. Yes. Sweet. $1,500 on gold. Down 1,500 on gold, up 950 on the NASDAQ. All right. That's just about a wash. See if we're in any open positions. E-mini short. The E-mini best spot. Let's check it out. The best spot on the E-mini looks like it's on the moneymaker. Let's check it out. The E-mini best spot. There it is. David Kushner. Okay, maybe this is our reversal. We'll head back up. Perhaps this is our shot to go long. Let's give it a shot. My 20U needs to break through that 50. I've got the signal B ready to trigger on my 30 range. Okay, we're in. Come on, 20U, keep going. Break through that 50. That's a big area of resistance. Don't come back on me. Come on, keep pushing up. Come on up. Come on up. Break through there. Come on up. Come on up. Got myself in a nail biter. Oh, good, Gerald. Good thinking. I can't stand that one drive, man. I'll tell you. It's like oil. It's like oil and water. The one drive and Ninja. They just don't mix. Causes all kinds of problems. Need a stiff breeze at our back now. Come on. Push on up. There you go. Come on up. Come on up. I'm going to close all in the green today. All right. Just starting to feel like momentum is waning on us. Get out while the getting's good. Oh, here it comes. Coming up behind me is professional options trader, Mr. David Wise. I was just up in South Carolina visiting David. Great guy, great guy. And his wife is just, man, she's so nice. Great woman. We went up to Charleston, South Carolina. Man, was it cold. This is a real nail biter of a trade. It's just not going anywhere. Here we go. Patience, patience. If you would, please, on your way out the door, please like my video here on YouTube. Give me a like. I consider it my job security. And I sure love what I do. One more little push to the upside, and this thing's going to get in my window. Well, first it's going to bring my stop to break even plus or minus. And that's when all the risk comes off the table. And you have the potential to catch a runner. We're in a holiday shortened week, which really isn't historically a really great time to trade. There's lower volume. A lot of the big shots, institutional traders, hedge funds, money managers, they take vacations, they're gone. leaving us retail traders with no trend to follow. Here we go. One more stiff breeze. And blow it right up into my profit target. Here we go. Oh my goodness. After all that, it exited on a line change. So it didn't come back, but it closed the trade. I closed the trade a little early to myself. So I wound up about 75 or 80 bucks across 5 accounts. Total of $393, which beats a red day by a long shot. We've got a 2-day total on the Apex accounts of 833. Not too shabby for a holiday week. And this is what the leaderboard ended up looking like. NQ30 Leapfrog is still in it. Let's take a look. We'll close with this one. This is the Leapfrog. The MNQ best spot and the NQ best spot. Look at this best spot. It's up 1550. Wow. Big day for the best spot. This Mack truck's about to take off long. Last trade. This is what the leaderboard looked like. Our NQ30s had big day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 NQ30s or MNQ30s in the leaderboard. The ES and gold 1-day pass. ES won 2 trades. The gold one won 1. NQ best spot was the number 1 bot today. 1550. Leapfrog up 800. That's the one we're watching trade right now that's in trouble. Does that mean we have the Holy Grail here and every one of our bots won? No. If I scroll to the bottom, you'll see we did have some bots that lost. But the majority of them did very well today. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Please, if you would, like my video on the way out the door. David Wise is coming up right behind me. Don't forget the holiday trading schedule. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. The holiday trading schedule. Tomorrow, God willing, we're going to be here live, same time as today. But the overall market tomorrow, it's a half a day. It's Christmas Eve. On those half days, be careful. Be really careful. But we're going to give it a shot. We'll take a look at it. So come join me again, same time. But it is a half day. Thursday market is closed. Friday the market's open. However, we will not be streaming live on YouTube. Gerald, that is a great idea. So glad to hear that. All right, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. And we'll see you tomorrow. So long, everyone.